Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing the October Boxycharm. I'm so freaking excited for this. So this was gifted to me through PR from Boxycharm, so thank you so much. The first thing I see is this is a Cherry Tonic Musk Beyond Cleansing. So we've seen this in Boxycharm here and there. It is freaking awesome, you guys. I'm on my second one in the bathroom right now. It's very, very good. But I do have to admit, if you overuse it, you literally just like, your skin is like super, super dry. Love it, but be very careful with it. Like super clean, like it just took everything out. But I really like it, it's really good. Next thing is the Myriad Hydration Exfoliating Cleanser. I'm excited to try this out. We have gotten Myriad in Boxycharm, so I'm very, very excited because I've liked the other products, but this one I'm really excited to use. It says massage a small amount over damped face and neck, use 2 to 3 times weekly. So I can't wait to see how this does for my skin. I do get quite a few breakouts when I am on my monthly, and because of the mask as well. So I will definitely be putting this to use and giving you guys some opinions on it if it becomes a favorite. Next thing I see in here, this is a moisturizer. Grown, I don't know how to say it, matte balancing moisturizer with acai berry. And this goes for $69. A lightweight moisturizer that hydrates facial skin while balancing the skin's oil levels, leaving a skin with a matte finish and increased clarity. I'm excited to try that out, and the packaging is so freaking nice. It just screams fancy. I love when things come packaged like this. Ooh, so I can't wait to see how this goes on the skin and how it looks. I can't wait for that. Next item is from Sol. This is a Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter, and the packaging is so freaking cute. It reminds me of the cream. That is so freaking cute. So last but not least, I'm excited about this, you guys. This is the Beauty Bakerie's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited about this. If you guys have any favorites from Beauty Bakerie, please let me know because I will be purchasing from them. So let me know your favorites down below so that I can pick them up. Oh my gosh, this is snugged in there pretty good. So I can't wait to see how this applies all over my lids. So let me zoom you guys in and let's get to creating something. Okay, loves. So let's begin. Those didn't swatch the best, but sometimes that don't even matter. It all depends on how it applies on the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. tape. You guys know I love using my e.l.f. tape. Oh my gosh, sometimes I just can't get the words out. If you guys are curious what I have on my eyebrows, I use the Ultra Cosmetics eyebrow gel, and this is in shade dark brown. So I'm gonna go in with Forehead Kisses using a Morphe M51, and I'm just going to just apply this all over this area. I did already apply concealer to my eyelids. I used the Benefit Cosmetics concealer in number 8. Just going to apply this just all over, kind of I guess setting that concealer even though it doesn't need it, but I'm just gonna go in with this shade and apply it all over. Now I'm gonna go in with Messy Hair, which is my hair every single freaking day, going in with that shade, and we're just going to just apply this very lightly in the crease, just like that. Just build it and get it. Just gonna pat, blend it, and then bring it out. Now I'm gonna go in with Yawning, the shade right here, using a Morphe E23. I'm just going to add it just towards the end. Just like that. Let's go in with Cuddle Cakes, using a Makeup Shack T37. I'm gonna go in with my finger. I don't know, you guys, I'm not too impressed with the palette right now. I'm kind of just like, Now I'm gonna go in with Fresh Face, and I will be using a Morphe Jacqueline 39. And I'm just going to pop that right here underneath the brow bone. I'm gonna go in and wing out my eye, and I will be using the Balm Schwing. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go in with some lashes from the Makeup Shack. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go in with this moisturizer. I want to use it. This is the matte Balancing Moisturizer. Moisturizer. I'm really excited. And I like how it has like this thing where you have to open it. Ooh, I'm applying too much. Now let's see how this feels. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that feels really good. It kind of smells like medicine. It does. I think I put too much. Good thing it's a moisturizer. Put it on the back of my hands. Oh yeah, I feel it going matte. You can feel it going matte, like where it starts to dry. Ooh. That feels really good. I'm gonna add a little bit more on my forehead because my forehead feels dry compared to the rest of my face because I applied a lot to the rest of my face. And in Utah, we're getting like really dry weather. So, ooh, can lay down my edges with this. See how I did that? Okay, so I'm going to apply my foundation and I'll be right back. So I applied foundation on top of the moisturizer. Feels amazing, you guys. It really, really feels good underneath the skin. So far so good on that. All right, now to go back into the palette, go in with gray. And I'm gonna go in with the gray from Pinky Rose. I'm gonna go back into the palette and let's pick up, no, oh my goodness, I hate when that happens. Act like that didn't. Now let's go into this shade right here. Oh my god, apply this. And there's like no hack to fix that. And if there is, let me know, tag me in it, but it's done. Like there's no. Now I'm just gonna go in with some mascara using the Bye Bye Panda Eyes from Essence. I'm gonna go in with this highlighter right here. This is the Rode Drive. So I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in Chocolate. Now I'm gonna go in with these right here. So I'm gonna go finish my hair real quick and I'll be right back. Alrighty, love, so I'm done with my face. Everything is done. So what I have to say is I really enjoyed October's Boxycharm box. Now I will admit I wasn't too impressed with the Beauty Bakerie's Breakfast in Bed. It created a really pretty look, but I wasn't really impressed where I'm like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. The swatches weren't the best and the color payoff as well wasn't, it didn't really wow me. But I did get the job done. I did get the eyeshadow done. I am excited to continue to play with the rest of these. This, I was really, I love the color that I got. I already know I'm gonna love this. I've already received them in the past. They are amazing. Myriad is a really good skincare company, so I can't wait to put this one to use. And the moisturizer just felt really good on the skin. I'm wearing the L'Oreal Matte Pro foundation and it just gave me a really good base, like, and it feels awesome. So that is my thoughts and opinions. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I do have my own special link down below. You do not have to use it, but if you do, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this Boxy try on. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updating my videos. Sorry for the baby boo boo gaga over there. But let me know what you guys got in your October Boxycharm. I would love to know down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Say mwah. Yeah. Okay.